First one is confidentiality. It suggests on preserving authorized restriction of information access and disclosure, including means for protecting personal privacy and proprietary information. Therefore, any loss of confidentiality is nothing but unauthorized disclosure of information. If your leakage of some data or some important information, it's nothing but you can say some unauthorized person is accessing that information. So the term confidentiality covers two concepts here: data confidentiality and privacy. Where data confidentiality is like data confidentiality, it assures that private or confidential data information is not made available or disclosed to any unauthorized person. The data or the information is not available or it should be not disclosed to one who don't have the authority to use it. This is data confidentiality. When it comes to privacy, what it says, it's like it assures that an individual person can have control and influence over the personal information related to them as how to collect and store. Also, such information to be shared and or disclosed by whom and to whom can also be controlled by individual as per the privacy policy. So in privacy, what it says, like the person having the control, whom the data should be shared or who can use it and who have the authority on that. It's like privacy policy. Next one is integrity. When we say integrity, it suggests on guarding against improper information modification or destruction, including ensuring information non-reproduction and authenticity. When, therefore, in any loss of integrity is the unauthorized modification or destruction of the information. What happened? Integrity, it's like they are guarding the improper information and modification. So, if anything is modified, anything is destruction has happened in the information, it says the loss of integrity. If the integrity is lost, then obviously simultaneously, as vice versa, the modification and or destruction of the information will be happening. So, integrity also covers the two concepts. This is data integrity and system integrity. Data integrity, it's like it assures that information and programs are changed and or modified only in a specified and authorized manner. What the data integrity says, information and program are changed or modified in a specified authors. Like if you have the authority, you can change the data or information according to the manual. What the authorized manual, you can change it. And system integrity says it assures that a system performs its intended function in an unimpaired manner and free from deliberate or unauthorized manipulation of the system. Okay, so so it says the deliberate, advert, unauthorized manipulation of the system. Next one is availability. Availability, it suggests ensuring timely and reliable access to and use of the information. It assures that systems works promptly and service is not denied to authorized users. To conclude the computer security concepts, it is understood that two more additional concepts are introduced in addition to CIA triad. So, what happens is like timely and reliably how the system used to work. It's like they used to work promptly serving the authorized person to edit or modify the information to access the information without denying. It's like availability. When CIA triad is there, in the latest CIA triad, they are in like they are introduce two new concepts, as I told, authenticity and accountability, where authenticity is like, you can say, genuine. This security property suggests of being genuine and being able to verify and trust it. So, for the instance of confidence in the validity of a transmission and message or a message originator, it gives you understanding that the user or authorized or authenticated user or who they say they themselves, also each input arriving at the system is coming from a trusted source. It's like nowadays what happening is like there is a lot of websites which are not genuine. They are like made from hackers or some unauthorized people, which is now able to believe only. So for that reason, it should be genuine. It's supported in the making of genuine and verified. It's like authenticity. And second one is accountability. Accountability says the security property such as generating the requirement for actions of an entity to be traced uniquely to the entity. The accountability property of computer security supports non-repudiation, deterrence, fault isolation, and also accountability property suggests tracing a security breach to a responsible party.